Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continuous support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yes, you know, we are at the Jamaica Young Police channel. You know, we are just this is a people's channel. This is not about just only fighting crime or, you know, try to bring back Jamaica to a semblance where people feel free, you know, for walk, raise them family and live in a country where you know that you know you don't have to worry about criminal, you understand? Yes, you don't have to worry about criminal. Criminals are the ones who are supposed to live in a fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. That's what we believe. Yes, and we just continue to repeat that mantra because we don't believe in no criminal. No guy not supposed to believe, say, boy, him have immunity from the laws of Jamaica. As we say, so we have a number for the channel. Any problem, you know, as we say, you know, if you are an informer, yeah man, help us, help Jamaica. You understand? So are you in Jamaica and feeling hesitant to share critical information with your local police officers? Yes, and we don't have a problem, you know, people who want to share information with us. Yeah man, share it, and we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we forward it to the relevant authorities. And we understand your concerns. So it's safe and anonymous way for you to make a real difference in your community. Your voice can be the key to ensuring your well-being of your neighbor and loved ones. I would say now, and we're not afraid to tell you, you know, say, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, yeah man, we're the biggest informer, you know. How you mean? You can't be no police and no informer. Any police will tell you, say them don't like informer, a criminal that. For your police, you're informer. Me know that from a little boy I grew up on, you understand? Because them tell you that, you know, in our community, you know, say police are informer. So we are proud informer from small, yeah, how you mean? Because we don't love criminal. So, you know, we have set up a dedicated WhatsApp number, yes, WhatsApp or straight 954-556-0275 exclusively for informants like you. When you contact us, you can rest assured that your anonymity is our top priority. Most importantly, when you call, identify yourself as an informant and your identity will be protected. Yeah, man. Look here, informants, you know, and informants are good people there. These are people who are doing them civic duty in Jamaica, so we appreciate and love them. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we love informants, man, because we are big informer, you know. So let us introduce ourselves. You know, we are the Jamaica Young Police Channel, a community-driven initiative promoting transparency and safety across Jamaica. Our mission is to foster a sense of security and trust within our communities. So we extend our heartfelt thanks to our viewers, subscribers, Patreon members, yeah man, who Patreon members, especially in the United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, the Cayman Islands, Montserrat. Yes, boy, I can't believe. And we have all people, all our friends who are part of the Patreon squad and appreciate it. So, yeah, that's, you know, your support enables us to continue our vital work. Yeah. So, today now we have a heartfelt story. Yeah, man. We share a poignant story highlighting the importance of our mission. So a young lady, she lives in the United Kingdom, yeah man, and she's searching for her grandfather. So this is a member of the Jamaica Young Police Channel family. Yeah, she's searching for her grandfather. His name is Cecil Johnson, a former policeman. Yeah, his name is Cecil Johnson, a former policeman at Denantown Police Station, that is Kingston West Police Division. Yes, he is originally from Jonestown, Kingston 12. And this young lady, her mother, hasn't seen her father for many years. And she yearns to reconnect with her father. You know, people, you know, when they get older, they want, if you know, say, boy, you understand, some, you know, Jamaican men, especially police, you know, so some of them, are not good police, and a good father, them, you know, they don't take care of them kids, we are telling that. Yeah, so she would have liked, the granddaughter would have liked to locate her grandfather so that her mother can reconnect with him. So, you know, those of you who are listening, and if you know this man or you know anything about him, any little information would be helpful. So you can contact us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Reason being, it's not that you know that. Hey, look here, we don't put our mouth on ground and talk. You know that Jamaicans are scammers. Some of our people, not all of them. You know, we attack. You know the corals in them and the coral bunkers them. They understand them dishonest. So because of that now, in regards with information to Cecil Johnson, you contact us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, and once we verify the information and able to talk with Mr. Johnson or someone who's related to him, then we pass on information to this young lady and her mother, because them live in the UK and we don't want nobody to scam them, because you understand, I tell them, so, you have to send this. No, you don't have to send nothing from talk to us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We are not paid to do this video, because people don't pay us to do video. You understand? We just do it, and whether it's decent or it's far, because all voices, you have to make all voices be heard. Yeah, we don't try creating a cult for people just think one way. We want people to think outside of the box. So if you in a cult, too bad for you, so you can't think and you can't go against the grill. Even if you're upset, you don't want to exit the cult room. So you, our loyal viewers and subscribers, you hold the key to reuniting a family by listening to this video. Imagine the joy and relief rekindling a lost relationship after so many years. So you have the power to make this happen. So watch, listen and decide. Your contribution can make a significant impact if you have information about Cecil Johnson or any other matter that can help to improve our community. Reach out. Together we can create a safer and more connected Jamaica. Contact us at 954-556-0275 via WhatsApp or straight, and let's make a difference together. You know that the Jamaica Young Police Channel is a channel where if you have any dissent, and if we said something and it's not true, you can call the number and correct it. Yes, no matter it's about who. And one thing we can tell you that over here, we are for the people and we are for the betterment of Jamaica. So we want you to listen to the sister. You watch, you listen, and you decide. Yeah, man, blessed love, Empress. But I'm going to see you call me how many times and them thing there. You say you try to find your grandfather?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
I don't know if you've heard of him.
No, you don't tell me. You have to tell me,
Oh, I did send you a WhatsApp with his name.
Oh, okay. All right. So you okay? So you okay? You say oh, your grandfather he was a police for many years at Denhamtown, and he was from Jonestown
Yes.
by the name of Cecil Johnson. I am not sure what rank he was in the force, but he was well known. I know this is before your time, but just thought I'd ask you. I know you said you grew up in Jonestown. You may have heard of him. Much blessing. Yeah. So, oh, okay. Well, there are only there are several police officers who that listen to the channel. So you know what your grandfather was stationed at West Kingston?
It would have been. I would say it would have been in the mid-50s.
50s?
Yeah.
Your grandfather supposed to dead long time then, man.
Mid-50s. I'm not sure.
That's when he was a police officer.
It could even be. It could even be later than that. Maybe I'd say like mid-50s to, 56 is around that time. I'm not 100%.
That's that. Okay, so your grandfather is your mother, father?
Yes.
Okay.
But because I listen to your show, every day, and it's like one day I was just sitting down thinking, because when I hear you talk about Jonestown, I was just I wonder if this man would have probably heard of him. I know it's before your time, but
yeah,
but it was just a question I thought I'd ask.
Well, I can, we can put it out there to the audience, remember the man, somebody.
Yeah.
But your mom, is your mom still alive?
Yes, she is. She is. So she hasn't got no contact, nothing.
So she has she have no information about his background apart from his name and
yeah, just his name, and it was a tall brown man. Oh. That's the most that I can tell, but he was well known. And
so what they call him then?
I don't know. I really don't know. My grandmother just recently passed away, so.
Yeah, it would be helpful to talk with your mom, so at least you could, give us some more context, and the audience members them would be able to tune in, and because especially I can tell you, majority. Several people in Jonestown is because I'm from Jonestown Concrete Jungle. The people them there, they tune into the channel because they know that what I'm telling them are the truth. Some people don't like it, but most of them love it because they know it's the truth. I'm not lying to them because I love them more than the politician them because I tell them the truth.
Yeah, true. Me know, because as I said, I listen to you, all the time, and the work what you're doing is fantastic.
Hey, thanks.
But my mom, she can't give me any more information because it's for her really. Why I said let me try.
Yeah, because she wants some closure. Because she wants some closure. So she left Jamaica when she was a child.
Yes, she did.
And she have no contact with him, and so she don't know if him have any sister or anything like that, or
nothing about him. That's what I'm saying. I mean, she's got one brother from a different father, but she may have other siblings out there, and I was just trying to see what I can do for her.
Yeah. So he was just a tall brown man. Well, somebody from Jonestown must know him. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we'll ask the audience them for try to find your grandfather. You understand? He was a police.
Yeah, that would be great. And I do have a cousin. I'm going to reach out to her. She's still in Jamaica, and I'm going to try and see if I can find, if she might know, because she's still there. She never moved. She didn't migrate, so maybe she might be able to give me a bit more information. And if I get that, I will I'll drop you a text. Yeah.
All right, just keep tuning in. I'll put it out there so that the people we're able to help you one way or the other to find you. You understand? Because you don't know the channel is everyone. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so grateful for that. That's so nice. I mean, I will eat anyway. I'll
Okay.
tune in and give thanks and keep up the good work.
Oh, thanks.
And I'm always sharing and things. So bless up yourself and much love.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, too, man. In the UK.
Yes. All right. Bless up yourself.
All right, my sister. One love. All right. So I'll put it out and make the people them know so boy if Cecil Johnson.
Yes.
And yeah, I'm from Jonestown. All right, I'll put it out, my sister. So all the best to you and enjoy the rest of your evening. All right.
Yes, you too. Bless.
Okay. Yeah, so you hear the information for yourself, hopefully, the elderly who are living in Jonestown or who used to work with Mr. Johnson, maybe can share some, information about him, whether he's alive or dead or someone who related to him can at least, any small information can really help this, this granddaughter to help her mother. Because, that's how it is, people like for rekindling with them relatives. Some people, them just disappear off of the earth. That's how it is, you understand? That's why, as I'm saying in life, you do good and good will follow you. And we just hope that somebody is listening and will be able to help this young lady to, with her grandfather, to help him to locate him. So I hope you enjoy listening to this lady. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.